Oh, from what?
6:08 p.m.
You mean how long did you hear from the first few minutes?
First few minutes. Yeah. Then from 6:08 onwards, your screen froze and we hear nothing from you ever since. Yeah.
Okay, so maybe I will redo this class sometime. Sorry.
So basically, at a certain point in time, after the first few minutes, the lecturer's screen suddenly froze and they could not hear anything, and he wasted about I think it was 2 hours of time, and then he finally talk finished. Then he realized.
Oh, what happened was the lecturer was teaching his students. It was 2 hours class, but suddenly the screen froze and the students cannot see anything. So when the lecturer asked the student what happened, the students explained what happened. So yes, that was my thought.
The teacher was teaching them for 2 hours, but suddenly the teacher muted everyone. The students cannot hear the teacher because of the internet connection problem. Then after 2 hours, the teacher asking them the question, then the students cannot hear anything. They said the problem about everything. They said they cannot hear the teacher for a few minutes and the screen was frozen. If that happens to me, I will chat in the chat box, right? I'll chat in the box, teacher, we cannot hear you. After the class, if that cannot work, then after the class we'll tell him about the problem.
So how you feel if you be the professor, if you be him?
After the class,
Yeah.
I'll be shocked. I said, what?
The lecturer.
Yeah.
I would be very sad because all of my effort, my time, all wasted.
After the class, I'll go like.
Okay.
Just run away and go. Well, after I close my mic.
Okay.
You know, like,
all right.
I might just start. I'll go. Ballistic.
Okay.
Get a better connection, internet connection. Make sure to always open the chat and at least let them talk.
I would make sure all of my students' internet connection is okay, and I'll also make sure mine is okay. And yeah, that's it.
If I was in that situation, you mean okay. I will check the students' internet connection if okay, and mine also. And I'll never waste my internet connection on like stupid things.